Alright, so basically, the most straightforward way to credit music is to include the original link to the song or artist in your video's description. That's the first thing you should always do. Now, if you want YouTube to automatically generate a music credits section in your description, it's a bit more complicated. Typically, that happens when you receive a copyright claim. Here's the thing. You might get a copyright claim even if you've credited the music in your description. It'll show up in the restrictions column on YouTube Studio as copyright. This doesn't necessarily mean your video will be taken down, especially if you've already given credit. However, it often means you won't be able to monetize that video. Once you get that copyright claim, YouTube might automatically add a music credit box to your video description. But there's no guarantee and you shouldn't rely on this. So, to summarize, always include the original link to the music in your video description. This is the most important step. Be prepared to get a copyright claim. Don't count on YouTube automatically adding a music credit section. Basically, giving credit is about being transparent and respectful to the original creators. The copyright claim is more about YouTube's automated system flagging copyrighted content. If you found this video helpful, or if you've had your own experiences with copyright claims and crediting music, definitely hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more YouTube tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments below if you've got any questions.